Welcome to Video Creator. Today, we will explore the fascinating industrial journey of transforming raw coconuts into creamy coconut milk. Deep inside lush tropical plantations, farmers carefully harvest mature coconuts, starting an incredible process that feeds millions of people worldwide. These massive clusters of fresh coconuts represent nature's perfect packaging, holding incredible nutritional value and rich flavors within their shells. Skilled workers gather the fallen coconuts quickly, ensuring that only the highest quality fruits make their way to the factory. Large transport trucks are loaded with thousands of coconuts, ready to begin their journey toward the modern industrial processing plant. Arriving at the massive facility, the coconuts are unloaded into giant storage bins to await the first crucial processing step. Some quality control inspectors examine the raw materials closely, removing any damaged or unripe coconuts before they enter the production line. A massive conveyor belt carries the approved coconuts forward, moving them steadily toward the heavy machinery for the dehusking phase. The thick, fibrous outer husk must be completely removed first, a challenging task requiring specialized equipment and highly trained operators. Sharp mechanical blades pierce the tough exterior layer, tearing away the thick green and brown fibers with incredible industrial precision. Workers stand alongside the machines to assist the process, ensuring no stubborn fibers remain attached to the hard inner shell. The removed husks are immediately transported to a separate area, as nothing goes to waste in this highly efficient facility. We are left with the hard, round coconut shell, which securely protects the valuable white meat hidden safely inside it. Next, the coconuts move into the deshelling station, where precise mechanical pressure is applied to crack the rigid outer layer. The cracking process must be carefully calibrated to break the hard shell without crushing the delicate coconut meat located inside. Expert handlers quickly separate the broken shell pieces from the core, revealing the round ball of coconut meat covered tightly. These discarded hard shells are also collected for recycling, often transformed into activated charcoal or sustainable fuel for the factory. Now, the coconut meat is still covered by a thin, tough brown skin that must be removed for pure milk. This paring process is often done using specialized peeling machines that gently shave off the brown layer with spinning blades. Workers manually inspect the peeled coconuts, using sharp knives to carefully trim away any remaining dark spots on the surface. Achieving a perfectly white coconut is absolutely essential, and as any brown skin left behind will negatively affect the milk's color, the peeled brown skins are swept away on a separate belt, destined to become nutritious animal feed or organic fertilizer. Look at these flawless, snow-white spheres of pure coconut meat, ready to undergo the rigorous cleaning and washing procedures next. The white coconut pieces are dropped into large stainless steel washing tanks filled with continuously flowing, crystal-clear, purified water. High-pressure water jets blast the coconut meat from multiple angles, ensuring every single piece is thoroughly cleaned and completely sanitized. This intense washing phase removes any lingering debris, oils, or microscopic contaminants, guaranteeing the highest level of food safety standards. The clean coconut pieces travel up an inclined conveyor belt, allowing excess water to drain away before the next stage. Workers conduct one final visual inspection under bright lights, confirming that the coconuts are pristine and ready for the grinder. The pure white meat is fed into heavy-duty industrial grinders, where rapidly spinning blades slice it into very fine pieces. This shredding process dramatically increases the surface area of the coconut, which is crucial for maximizing the milk extraction yield. A continuous stream of finely grated coconut emerges from the grinder, resembling a beautiful cascade of fresh, fluffy white snow. The sweet aroma of fresh coconut fills the entire factory floor as the shredded meat moves toward the extraction machines. Now comes the most important step: extracting the rich, creamy liquid from the freshly grated coconut using massive hydraulic presses. Heavy mechanical screw presses apply immense pressure to the shredded meat, forcing the natural oils and water out completely and efficiently. You can see the thick or opaque coconut milk pouring out through the fine metal mesh screens of the extraction machine. The liquid is pumped through a complex network of shiny pipes into the ultra-high temperature, or UHT, pasteurization system. In the UHT chamber, the milk is rapidly heated to extreme temperatures for just a few seconds to destroy bacteria. This rapid heating and sudden cooling process effectively sterilizes the milk while carefully preserving its delicate flavor and nutritional profile. Modern sensors constantly monitor the temperature and flow rate, ensuring every drop of milk meets strict international food safety regulations. Meanwhile, large rolls of sterile packaging materials are loaded into the automated filling machines on the other side of the factory. The pasteurized coconut milk flows directly into the filling station, where it is injected into aseptic cartons or metal cans. This entire packaging process occurs inside a completely sterile, enclosed environment to prevent any airborne contamination from reaching the product. High-speed robotic arms quickly seal the filled cartons, locking in the freshness and ensuring the milk remains safe for months. For canned coconut milk, automated seaming machines attach the metal lids with incredible speed, creating a perfectly airtight vacuum seal. The sealed packages travel through a long, cooling tunnel, bringing their temperature down rapidly to maintain the highest product quality. Automated labeling machines quickly apply vibrant, colorful wrappers to the cans, displaying the brand logo and important nutritional information clearly. Each individual package passes under advanced X-ray scanners and weight checkers to verify that it meets the exact production specifications. Any carton or can that fails these strict quality checks is automatically pushed off the line by a pneumatic arm. The approved products are grouped together and tightly wrapped in protective plastic film, creating convenient multi-packs for retail grocery stores. Robotic palletizers neatly stack the finished boxes onto large wooden pallets, preparing them for immediate transport to the distribution warehouse. Forklifts move the heavy pallets into massive climate-controlled storage facilities, where thousands of gallons of coconut milk await global shipping. But the story of the coconut does not end here. The modern factory is designed to utilize every single part. Let us return to the extraction area, where massive amounts of dry, leftover coconut pulp remain after pressing the milk. This fibrous residue is definitely not garbage. It is a highly valuable byproduct with numerous commercial and agricultural applications worldwide. The damp pulp is transferred to large industrial rotary dryers, which use hot air to remove all the remaining moisture. Once thoroughly dried, and this material is finely milled into coconut flour, a popular gluten-free baking alternative loved by health enthusiasts. Alternatively, the dried coconut residue is mixed with other nutrients and compressed into high-quality, energy-dense feed for farm livestock animals. Now, let us look back at the massive piles of fibrous outer husks that were removed at the very beginning. These tough husks are fed into powerful shredding machines that tear the long fibers apart, creating a material called coir. Coir is incredibly strong and resistant to salt water, making it the perfect natural material for manufacturing ropes, doormats, and brushes. The shorter fibers and dust generated during the shredding process are carefully collected to create a product known as cocoa peat. Cocoa peat is an excellent soil conditioner, widely used by gardeners and commercial greenhouses to improve moisture retention for plants. It is compressed into tight, dry blocks that will magically expand when soaked in water, providing a perfect growing medium. Even the hard inner shells we saw earlier are transformed into valuable commodities through a high-temperature burning process called carbonization. The shells are baked in low-oxygen kilns, turning them into premium coconut shell charcoal, which burns hotter and much cleaner. This charcoal is often further processed into activated carbon, a vital material used in water filtration systems and air purifiers. The sheer efficiency of this entire industrial operation is truly remarkable, transforming a simple tropical fruit into countless essential products. The factory operates around the clock, processing thousands of coconuts every single hour to meet the massive global market demand. Engineers constantly monitor the complex network of machinery from a centralized control room, ensuring optimal performance and safety at all times. And regular maintenance is performed on the extractors and centrifuges, keeping the stainless steel equipment shining and functioning at peak efficiency. The dedication to cleanliness is visible everywhere, with automated cleaning systems flushing the pipes with hot water and sanitizing solutions. The laboratory technicians continuously test samples of the coconut milk, analyzing its fat content, viscosity, and overall flavor profile carefully. This strict scientific oversight guarantees that a consumer in Europe experiences the exact same taste as a consumer in Asia. The global appetite for plant-based dairy alternatives has skyrocketed recently, making coconut milk one of the most sought-after supermarket items. It is a staple ingredient in rich curries, sweet desserts, and trendy coffee beverages served in cafes all over the world. Beyond culinary uses, the cosmetic industry heavily relies on coconut extracts for manufacturing luxurious lotions, moisturizing shampoos, and soothing soaps. We watch as massive shipping containers are loaded onto cargo ships, carrying the finished coconut products across the vast oceans. The journey from a sun-drenched tropical farm to a modern grocery store shelf involves incredible engineering and brilliant logistical planning. Every machine, every worker, and every process in this massive facility plays a critical role in the global supply chain. Let us take a closer look at the advanced centrifuge machines that can separate coconut cream from the lighter milk. Spinning at incredibly high speeds, the centrifuge forces the heavier water particles outward, leaving the concentrated, rich fat behind perfectly. This pure coconut cream is a premium product, often packaged separately for professional chefs and high-end culinary manufacturing companies globally. Sometimes the extracted coconut water is also saved, pasteurized, and packaged as a highly refreshing, electrolyte-rich sports drink for athletes. The versatility of the coconut is unmatched in nature, earning it the famous title of the Tree of Life everywhere. The industrial scale of this operation highlights human ingenuity, demonstrating our ability to maximize natural resources with zero unnecessary waste. Workers in protective gear carefully inspect the massive storage silos, ensuring the environmental conditions remain perfect for the delicate products. The hum of the factory is a symphony of modern manufacturing, a continuous rhythm of grinding, pressing, heating, and packaging. Innovations in food technology continue to improve this process, making extraction more efficient while using significantly less water and electricity. Solar panels on the vast factory roof provide clean, renewable energy to power the heavy machinery, reducing the carbon footprint. Sustainable practices are becoming standard in the coconut industry, thus ensuring that tropical farming communities can thrive for generations to come. We have witnessed the complete transformation of a raw, hard fruit into a silky, smooth liquid loved by diverse cultures. The dedication of the farmers, engineers, and factory workers makes this massive global distribution network possible every single day, everywhere. As the sun sets over the vast coconut plantations, the factory continues its relentless operation under bright, energy-efficient LED lights. Night shifts ensure that the supply never stops, meeting the endless demand for this incredibly versatile and delicious tropical commodity. The sound of clinking cans and whirring conveyors is a testament to the power of modern industrial food production systems. Each drop of coconut milk represents a perfect blend of natural agricultural bounty and highly advanced mechanical engineering working together. The next time you open a can of coconut milk, take a moment to appreciate the complex machinery behind it. Remember the hydraulic presses, the spinning centrifuges, and the roaring kilns that turned a simple shell into so many products. This documentary has taken you deep inside a world rarely seen by the average consumer, revealing the magic of manufacturing. We hope you have gained a new appreciation for the massive industrial efforts required to stock our modern grocery stores. The coconut industry is a shining example of how technology can help us utilize every single part of a harvest. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating journey through the heart of industrial coconut processing and global food manufacturing. We will continue to bring you more incredible stories about how the everyday items in your home are actually made. If you enjoyed this detailed look into the factory, please share it with your friends and fellow food manufacturing enthusiasts. Stay curious, keep exploring the world around you, and never stop wondering about the origins of your favorite delicious foods. This is Video Creator signing off. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next documentary.